In today's video, I'm going to show you how to learn Canva AI step by step so you can start using it to create designs, images, docs, code, and even video clips with prompts. If you've been curious about Canva AI and want a simple beginner-friendly walkthrough, this guide will help you get started fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Canva homepage and log in to your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a free Canva account before you can access the AI tools. Once you're inside Canva, look at the left side panel and find Canva AI. In some cases, you may also see it in the search bar, so you can use either option to launch the AI assistant. Click Canva AI, and it will open up the workspace where you can start using the different tools. Now, this is where Canva AI gets really useful because it gives you multiple ways to create content depending on what you need. The first option is design. This tool can create full designs from a text prompt or even from an uploaded image. So if you want Canva to help you build a social media post, presentation, flyer, or any other layout, design is a great place to start. You simply describe what you want, and Canva AI helps generate a design based on your instructions. Next is the image tool. This one is used for generating images based on a prompt. So if you need a custom visual, an illustration, a concept image, or something more creative for your project, you can type in a description and let Canva AI create it for you. This is especially useful when you need unique graphics without searching through stock photos. After that, you have Docs. Canva AI can generate documents based on prompts, which is great if you want help drafting content, outlines, notes, or written material faster. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, create structured text, or build a foundation for a document before editing it manually. Then there's code. This tool is designed to generate code based on prompts. If you're working on a technical project and need help producing code snippets or understanding how to structure something, Canva AI can assist by turning your prompt into code output. And finally, there's video clip. This option is used to generate video-related content from prompts, helping you explore creative video ideas inside Canva's AI tools. Depending on your version of Canva, the exact wording or layout may look slightly different, but the process is usually the same. Open Canva AI, choose the tool that matches your goal, and enter a clear prompt. The better your prompt, the better your result. For example, instead of typing something vague like, "make a design," try being specific with details like the style, purpose, colors, and format you want. That will help Canva AI give you a much stronger result. As you practice, you'll start to understand which tool is best for each task. Use design when you want full layouts, image when you want visuals, docs when you want written content, code when you need programming help, and video clip when you want to generate video-based ideas or assets. The key to learning Canva AI is simply experimenting with each option and seeing how the tool responds to different prompts. The more you use it, the easier it becomes to create exactly what you want. So if you're just getting started, open the Canva homepage, click Canva AI, try each tool one by one, and practice writing clear prompts. That's the fastest way to learn how Canva AI works and how it can fit into your creative workflow. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Canva and AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.